Well, who does not like a great grilled chicken, right? But most of the time that we order from a restaurant, it's either too soggy or too spicy, or the meat is dry, so it's just not good enough. So today we are going to make a version of the grilled chicken. So it's a version which is low on hassle, low on all these extra oil and extra spices, and at the same time it's going to be super tasty as well. Okay, starting with the ingredients. So I have got one whole chicken with the skin. So I have discarded the wings, neck, etc. So it's just the two whole legs and the breast. Lots of garlic, so around 12-13 cloves of garlic. Some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme. So if you don't have it fresh, you can use dried. 2 limes, ground spices, salt, black pepper, red paprika powder or red chili powder, and some cumin powder, and some extra virgin olive oil. Pat the chicken completely dry, especially the skin side. The skin should be absolutely dry. Next, I am just loosening the skin of the chicken. So just use your fingers and go in between the skin and the meat and create these nice pockets where our marinades will go. Now getting our marinade ready. So separate the leaves of rosemary and thyme. So when you're doing this, your kitchen will be filled with the lovely savory smells of rosemary and thyme. Chop the garlics. Make it into fine pieces. Chop up the rosemary also in slightly smaller pieces. Cut the limes into halves. All the ingredients of the marinade are ready now. Now we are going to put the oven in preheat. So I am putting it at 180 degrees Celsius right now, and I'll crank up the heat later. So next I am going to just mix all the dry ingredients. Add the garlic in. Squeeze in the lime juice. So currently I am using around 1.5 limes. I'll check the acidity and decide if I want to put the next half. Add around 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good mix. So now I'm going to use this mix to marinate the chicken. So I'll flip the chicken to the meat side and add this generously. Now flip over the chicken. Just lift the skin slowly and use your fingers to put the marinades inside. Same with the legs. So you want these marinades to be spread as evenly as possible inside the skin so that you get a consistency of flavors. Now take a tissue and just lightly clean off the skin. Next I'm pouring a bit of clean olive oil in a small container, and we'll just use a brush to brush the olive oil on the skin of the chicken. Now let the chicken sit in the fridge as long as possible, preferably for 2 hours. In the meantime, I'm just going to get my baking tray ready. I'm just lining a baking tray with a parchment paper. Just brush it with some olive oil. So it's been 2 hours that the chicken was sitting in the fridge. So I've taken it out and now it's time to grill it. Just place them skin side up in the tray. Now I'm going to put this into the oven. So chicken goes in, middle rack, 180 degrees Celsius, 40 minutes. It's around 12 minutes left on the clock. So we'll just take it out now and crank up the temperature. This is how it currently looks. So you can see the skin is quite soft now. Now I've cranked up the temperature of the oven to around 220 degrees. I'm going to put back the chicken. Okay, so the time is up. So we should take it out quickly now. So this is how it looks after the grilling. So if you can see, the skin has become nice and crispy. It has got a golden color. So I'm just going to rest it for around 15 minutes now. Time for the plating. I'm just putting a fresh salad, a piece of chicken, pouring over some juices that has collected over the oven, and there you have it, my grilled chicken. Enjoy.